This is just from the aloe vera. Like, hey my queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for joining me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. So I always pre-poo my hair before I wash, before I do my mud, before I do anything. I usually pre-poo with oil, but this time I'm going to use a fresh aloe vera plant that I got from my local fruit market. So with aloe vera, it's very moisturizing, it promotes strength, it promotes hair growth. Just started using a fresh aloe vera plant, I say about a couple of weeks ago. I usually get the aloe vera from like the vitamin shop or something, but I wanted to try the plant and I actually like it. My hair actually loves it. So that's the video I'm going to be doing. So let's get right into it. And then I like to start with the one that have the less gel on it, because I like to use every bit of gel that's in this aloe vera. So I start with the one that has the less, and then I continue with the one that has the most of it. So what I do is and then to get the more of the gel, I just press. Thank you for joining me on this journey of using the aloe vera plant to bring back moisture in my hair and also add to my pre-poo. So I leave it in for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out with warm water, and then my co-wash, conditioner, deep conditioner, and then style as usual. So this is a twist out. This is a 3-day-old twist out so far. Using the aloe vera gel has helped with the moisture of my hair and also helped with the strength of my hair. And also, if you're having like scalp issues, it's also one of the benefits with using an aloe vera plant. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching this video, why not just hit the subscribe button? I don't understand. You should just hit the subscribe button. I mean, I would. Don't you want us to connect? Don't you want us to, you know, stay in communication? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment. If you use aloe vera gel, how do you use it? You use it as a leave-in, you use it as a pre-poo, you use it as a conditioner. Just let me know down in the comments, because I want to eventually try using it as a leave-in. I'm just honestly nervous because my hair is low porosity, and with all like the different things that goes on with my hair, I don't know if it would be enough. But if you do use it as a leave-in, let me know in the comments, like what else do you add to the aloe vera gel. And yeah, so thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.